right, to do the blower motor, first remove the negative terminal on your battery, just best practice. Right here, squeeze on this outside, pull it down, that'll get that out of your way. And you can see here, there's the first screw. Now I suggest, this one has a little clip on it, I suggest not removing that. Sometimes you got to be able to feel it. So there's a screw right here. Make sure you're turning it the right way. And then there'll be a screw back here. I suggest doing this one first. Don't let it fall back there. The reason why I do this one first is because when you get this loose enough, it's going to want to fall down. Oops. Never a good sound. Oops. Like I said, make sure you're going the right direction. Ta-da! Now, see, I had a leaf. That's all I had in mind. The screws are all the same. They're just plastic screws. It's that simple. Just getting to it is the hardest part. So, to put it back together, just do the opposite. And hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. Good luck with yours.